Hanwha Vision's OnCloud makes it easy to create a video clip using a recorded video. Saved video clips can be shared, added to an incident, or saved for later review. A video clip can be created from any piece of recorded video. To create a video clip, click the clip icon in the timeline. This will produce a selection box across the timeline. By default, this selection box will cover 30 seconds of video. This selection box can be dragged left or right along the timeline and expanded or contracted from either end. The start and end points of the box will be displayed above the timeline to help you make precise selections. You can also select an event to bring the timeline closer to an event of interest. Once you have selected the video you'd like to save, click Save Clip. This will open the clip creation window. A screenshot as well as the start and end times of your clip will be displayed. You are required to add a comment regarding the clip. Optionally, you can add a custom or existing tag to the clip. To add an existing tag, click on the plus icon besides the tag. Click Create Clip once you have filled out the required fields. Once a clip has been created, shortcuts will be presented, allowing you to immediately go to the Clips page to view all created clips, share the video clip, add the video clip to an incident, and to watch the video clip. To learn more about OnCloud, visit us at hanwhavisionamerica.com.